Okay, it's me again. I took a little break. I played it a couple of times. 1,000 Years by Christina Perri.
Beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take away. Standing in front of me, every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. One step closer. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. How long I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart here. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
We're having a storm. I think there might be hail. Oh shit! Oh shit, there's hail! Oh shit, I don't know if you can see out my window. Oh my god, there's hail! I've never seen hail before. We always talk about hail, hail this, hail that. We're gonna get hail. I've never seen hail. And it's hailing right now. It's like big, can you hear it? Oh, if you can, I gotta close the window in the front. Listen to the storm. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I hope none of my friends are driving right now. Can you see it? I don't think you can see out the window, eh? I opened the window wide because we were getting a lot of thunder, and I love storms. I don't like wind though, so if the wind picks up, I'm out of here. Oh my god, you have to be able to hear that. I got a really good mic. I'm gonna keep you on. Hopefully nothing bad happens. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna shut the window now. I think I'm gonna find a safer place in the house.